Hi everybody, Paul here again. One of the major components on the air conditioning system in your vehicle is called a compressor clutch. This plays a major role in providing cool air. This is what a typical air conditioner compressor looks like, which will be located by the front of the engine, by the drive belt. You'll also see two refrigerant lines attached to it, like you see here. The AC compressor clutch is located here on the outside of the pulley wheel. The clutch only turns when it's called upon to circulate refrigerant through the air conditioner system. So the clutch turns on and off as needed to deliver cool air. The clutch system is electromagnetic, which is what allows it to engage or disengage from the compressor pulley wheel. The clutch system consists of a clutch, a pulley bearing, and a clutch coil. If the air conditioner control button on your vehicle ever starts flashing like you see here, then this is a warning sign that the clutch on the compressor is not turning like it's supposed to. So the question is, why is the clutch not turning? This can be due to a number of different reasons, which I'm going to cover next. Number 1 is it's too hot inside the vehicle. Number 2 is it's too cold outside. Number 3 is there's not enough refrigerant or there's too much refrigerant. Number 4 is a refrigerant leak. Number 5 is a faulty cooling fan. Number 6 is a compressor drive belt that's either worn out, cracked, or glazed, or doesn't have enough tension, or is broke. Number 7 is a faulty drive belt tensioner. Number 8 is a faulty compressor clutch. Number 9 is a faulty compressor clutch relay. Number 10 is a faulty compressor speed sensor. Number 11 is a compressor not receiving the proper voltage. Number 12 is a faulty pressure switch on either the low side or the high side. And number 13 is a faulty evaporator temperature sensor. If you'd like more in-depth information on how to fix what was covered in this video, then click here on this next video in the top right-hand corner. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.